Welcome to our motherboard showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi and the ASUS Prime B550M-A WiFi 2. Both of these micro ATX motherboards are designed for the AMD AM4 platform, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi is an entry-level option that provides solid performance for budget builds, while the ASUS Prime B550M-A WiFi 2 offers advanced features like PCIe 4.0 and Wi-Fi 6 for those looking to future-proof their systems. Let's explore their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi is built on the older B450 chipset, which supports AMD's 3rd-gen Ryzen CPUs but lacks the latest features like PCIe 4.0. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B550M-A WiFi 2 utilizes the B550 chipset, providing native PCIe 4.0 support. This means that if you're looking to use the latest NVMe SSDs or GPUs, the B550M-A is the better choice. The B450M is still a solid option for budget builds, but may limit future upgrades. When it comes to connectivity, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi includes built-in Wi-Fi 5, which is adequate for most users. However, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 steps it up with Wi-Fi 6, offering faster speeds and better performance in crowded networks. This can make a significant difference for gamers and content creators who rely on stable and fast internet connections. Additionally, the B550M-A features more USB ports and better overall connectivity options. Storage options are another area where these two motherboards differ significantly. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi offers a single M.2 slot, which may be limiting for users looking to maximize storage performance. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 provides dual M.2 slots, with one supporting PCIe 4.0, allowing for faster NVMe SSDs. This feature is crucial for users who require high-speed storage solutions for gaming or content creation. In conclusion, the choice between the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi and the ASUS Prime B550M-A Wi-Fi 2 ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option, the B450M is a great choice. However, if you want to future-proof your build with the latest technology, the B550M-A is worth the extra investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.